iPhone battery health below 80%, phone lagging, heating, battery bulging, or living next to the charger like it's your best friend. That's not normal iPhone behavior anymore. At Atom Repairs, we replace weak and swollen iPhone batteries professionally, so your phone feels fast, smooth, and reliable again. OEM quality battery replacement, fix battery bulging issue safely, improve speed and performance, better battery backup, reduce heating and lag, doorstep service across Bengaluru. Don't wait for your screen to pop out because of a swollen battery. Give your iPhone the upgrade it actually needs. Bengaluru doorstep service. WhatsApp us now to book your iPhone battery replacement on 70900 75750. Atom Repairs. Professional service, genuine care, and fast support.